Hello everybody, good evening and welcome to 25 Pixel Lab videos with David Braid. In this video I'll be taking you around the tools we're going to be using and giving you one or two highlights about them. Now the first and foremost tool we are going to be using is the tool called Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab. It's free and it doesn't use data, unlike another app called Canva. Canva uses data. Now, if you're using an Android, you can use Pixel Lab, but if you're using an iPhone, you won't be able to use Pixel Lab. You're going to use Canva. Pixel Lab has different versions. It also has different developers. It also has a cracked version and a free version. I am using the cracked version, and I'm going to give you that one. What's the difference between the cracked version and the paid version, rather, which is also free? And the free version, because it is free, the company shows you adverts. They advertise other people's businesses to you in a bid to get you to buy. And those adverts might be a bit disturbing. Not disturbing, what's the word? There might be a bit of a disturbance or a nuisance to you. So what we do is we get the cracked version, or what they call the modded version, M-O-D-E-D. We get it and those adverts don't pop up. So that's how we operate or manage Pixel Lab. Another app we are going to be using in this course is called Snapseed. What does Snapseed do? What Snapseed does is that it helps us edit and add finishing touches to our work. It helps us to edit and add finishing touches to our work. For instance, if I press on this plus button and I get any picture or any job I've done, let's see how it can improve it. For instance, look at this picture of me. We can come to this option here called pop. This one, you could just tap on it and it will add a filter or an edit to the picture. You see that? Or look at this one, accentuate. So just stuff like that, on and on. It can do other things, like if I click on tools to go to details and just slide my finger on the screen like this. You see that? Just slide my finger. Then if I slide upwards and go to sharpen, you see, then I can click here. So it's used to add finishing touches to your work. Another tool we are going to be using is called Photo Room. Photo Room. All these links will be given to you. You can download them. What does Photo Room do? Mainly what Photo Room is used to do is to remove the background of an image fast. For instance, if I click on this, start from photo, and I can take any image I like. Let's say I want to remove the background from, let me use a good example. Okay, look at this image for instance. Let's say I just want the lady, I don't want the other parts. I just click on it and it will help me strip off the background. This is a very important operation in graphics design, removing the background of an image. It takes a lot of time, but with an app like Photo Room, you can do it in a matter of seconds, as you can see. Another way to do it is to go to remove.bg, remove.bg, remove.bg. Okay, so I just slide this way and I click on this particular one, and you can see there's no more background. So now I can click on this to download it, and on and on. So I click on it and then I'll save it to my gallery. Another app we are going to be using is called Photoshop and Photoshop Express. Photoshop CX 2019 and Photoshop Express, both of them We're not going to be using them much, but they do pretty much the same thing. They are for editing and adding finishing touches to your design. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the tools we are going to be using, and thank you very much. But there are a lot of resources and websites I will be introducing you to from our Google Chrome, just your normal browser. I'll be showing you one or two resources and tools you can use too.